of Mosaic Hobby Football. Appreciate it, man. Let's see what we got. Put up a 101 the last time we went out. And they played Chambers Bay. I don't know if it was 6 par 4s over 500. I know they had 1 par 4 out there that was also played as a par 5, the 18th hole. They flip-flopped back and forth a couple of days. But yeah, they had a couple par 4s that were definitely in like the 530, 540 range. But they played like severely downhill. All right, autograph. Jason Peters. That's a big man right there. Jason Peters. We have a LaMichael Pirine Mosaic rookie. Jason Witten, red. Blue chips of Murray, Mastery of Breeze, Justin Jefferson, Jerry Jeudy, and another Joe Burrow. Nice, man. It's 2 for 2 on the Burrows. Take that. Zach Moss, silver rookie. And then a red Patrick Queen, rookie. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, the Fresh Prince of Helaire, stud. Derrick Henry. Kenneth Murray, A.J. Dillon, and Isaiah Simmons, the Fresh Prince of Helaire in the house. And no, I did not come up with that on my own. Kirk Cousins. Silver Mosaic. Rob Gronkowski. Red. In it to win it of Big Ben. Antonio Gandy Golden. DeAndre Swift and LaMichael Pirine rookie. So we've got Devin McCourty. Silver. And a Travis Kelce red. Jimmy G. Stairmasters. Julio Jones, Metamastery. Elway. We have a Brian Edwards and Denzel Mim, rookie. Earl Thomas, Mosaic Prism. Mark Andrews, Pro Bowl red. Jalen Ramsey, Blue Chips, Mosaic. Ruggs, Claypool, and DeAndre Swift. A lot of overlap in some of these rookies. All right, next autograph is Jeff Okudah, the Ohio State University. Lions. Then Michael Irvin, Hall of Fame silver. And Mike Evans, red. Mastery Marino. And Julio Jones, Mosaic. Another Burrow, NFL debut. CeeDee Lamb, Jim Kelly, and Chase Young. Hail. Marshawn Lynch, Beast Mode, Mosaic Prism. Mark Ingram, red. Josh Allen, and then a Deshaun Watson, center stage. I really like these center stage inserts. Galladay, C.J. Henderson, rookie. J.K. Dobbins, and Tyler Johnson, rookies. Scary Terry McLaurin, silver. Followed by a Chase Claypool, red. Hasn't been much color, has there? Jacob Eason, ×2, and Zach Moss. There's been anything numbered in this box so far. Okay, Aaron Jones. Ryan Tannehill, red. Watson, Blue Chips. Eazy-E, Montage. A.J. Dillon, Kirk Cousins Pro Bowl, and Cam Akers. And last pack in box number 2. Yeah, Tony Gonzalez, silver. Here comes the numbered. And blue, Roquan Smith. number 299. Tannehill, Joe Mixon, Overdrive, Jalen Hurts, NFL debuts, Jonathan Taylor, Mahomes MVP, and Jordan Love to round out box number 2 on Mosaic Hobby. All right, Gary, appreciate it, buddy. I will get it all packed up, shipped out ASAP.